Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's. Yes, indeed. In Jamaica, you know that most people always talk about name brand police officers. But when they talk about name brand police officers, most people always only think of men. They don't think of policewomen. Yes, but I have worked, when I said work with, not on a team or, per se, but in the same office. And I can tell you that this woman detective, yes, she was a name brand police officer. Yeah, man. In Jamaica, name brand police officers are those whose very mention strike fear into the hearts of gunmen and criminals alike. These detectives are revered for their unwavering dedication to justice, relentless pursuits of criminals, and the ability to instill fear in those who dare to break the law. Yes, man. This is a policewoman we I tell you about, and I'm a policeman. The reason why men and a whole do not like to give women, the rating that they deserve. But she, apart from before I'll just call her Claudia. I'm not gonna mention her full name because I don't want you understand. Before her, used to have a woman by the name of Artist Brown. She died, passed away. Bad woman, yeah. And I tell her, say, yeah, she pretty too, Artist Brown, you can say she was a pretty woman back in her time as a detective. She used to be at flying squad and she used to run for beatings as a big woman. You understand? Yeah. So we are telling you now, say this woman now, Claudia, yeah, black, yeah, we are telling you black, yeah man, young, gifted and black, pretty, very, we are telling you, say very rare, so it's really hard to find really pretty police women, you understand? Yeah, when we say that without any apology, yeah, you understand what I'm saying? Very, would I say, all right, let's say you have 10 policewomen. Out of 10, you might find maybe 3, we say you can put them on that pedestal, say them pretty. You understand? When we say pretty, we talk beauty queen. When I talk no Ray or no yeah. And she was one of those women. Yeah, so we just call her Claudia. Yeah, Claudia is the epitome of a name brand police officer. Yeah, man, her reputation precedes her, and for good reason. Yeah, she's not only known for her beauty, but also for her unyielding bravery and determination in the face of danger. Claudia's mere presence on the streets sends shivers down the spines of gunmen who knew they are up against a formidable opponent. She no player. We are telling you that. Well, yeah. I tell you because we are all street detective in the south. And she used to work in a St. Andrew South. In the same office I used to work. But we were on a different team because you understand. But she was not ordinary woman police. I tell you that. She is relentless in her pursuit of justice and afraid to confront the most dangerous criminals head on. Yeah, she wasn't the kind of policewoman like, you hear I'll shut a fire and she'll say, you know, Kim, I got the office. Oh, nah, man, you have to care. She got it, because she have beat it, you know. May I tell you, you know. Yeah, and the more, and you know, one of the funny thing, you know, I expect normally a woman with her outer appearance, you know, when I talk about her inner her outer appearance because she pretty. No, she not in that and dirty up herself and beat it. No, sir, she not that. She got, you know, women like police woman like her, them go work like her, them work a corporate. No, man, she radix, I tell you. But based on information received, never really talk to her that much. Really know, you know, personal things about her. But from information received that she's from a police family, so you understand. So Claudia's tenacity and fearlessness have earned her the respect and admiration of her colleagues and the community. Gunmen know that crossing path with Claudia means sleepless nights and the genuine possibility of facing swift and decisive justice. She never play. I tell you that. Yeah, so Claudia stands as a beacon of hope and strength in the country where crime and violence often reign unchecked. She was relentless. She never afraid of no guy. She never afraid for going anywhere and everything. Even by herself. Very rare find a policewoman like that. She embodies the spirit of the name brand police officer, driving fear into the hearts of criminals and reminding them that justice will always prevail. Claudia's legacy will endure long after her time in the force, a testament to the power of courage, determination, and unwavering commitment to the safety and security of Jamaica's street. Yeah, she, you know, she should have get her some medal and them thing because she do some nice shooting in my time. I tell you, she never play. So amid the bustling streets of Kingston, there once roamed a woman detective whose courage and fearlessness rival any other police officer in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Yeah, man. So let me paint a vivid picture of this remarkable figure known as Claudia to protect her identity. So during the turbulent 1990s, Claudia emerged as a beacon of strength amidst the chaos of Hunsby. That I sent Hunsby police station, that I sent on the south. You know, say Hunsby always have some bad detective. Yeah, Hunsby I don't know if you know, I don't know play division for the ordinary police work. Yeah, you understand. That's how it is. Hunsby I know that kind of police station with an ordinary police work. You have to rough, everywhere you can. You understand? Yeah. You know, play with criminal. You know, if I ever send them a departure along, I just saw it go. Apart, it come with the territory when you're there south. Yeah, so as we tell her, so her reputation preceded her. She was a force to be reckoned with and yielding in her pursuit of justice. So as a former member of the force myself, I can attest to her unmatched bravery and unwavering dedication to her duty. So we are telling that about her. You understand? We're not make nobody say it for we are give her flowers while she alive according to, as Bounty Killer that say. We can't point to another woman in a St. Andrew South while we were there. We even come anywhere close to her. We are telling that no, we can't point to no other woman detective that can come anywhere close to she. Yeah. So when Claudia arrived at a shootout scene, you know that help has arrived in the most formidable form. She doesn't waste a moment, driving headfirst into the fray with the determination that commands respect. While her beauty may initially catch your eye, her unwavering resolve and no-nonsense attitude truly sets her apart. So in the heat of battle, Claudia is a force to be reckoned with. She doesn't hesitate to confront gunmen or any other threat to public safety. Her focus is singular, to neutralize the danger and restore peace to the streets of Kingston. Her track record speaks for itself. Ask the DJ Baby Cham, who undoubtedly have story to tell about Claudia's fearless exploit. Yeah, we are talking about Baby Cham that are, the artist where them did beat up Art of Vision where Rooksy. You understand where, Dudos gave him permission to beat him. So there's no room for hesitation or doubt when Claudia is on the scene. She's a tough cookie who means business, and her presence alone instills a sense of confidence and reassurance in her fellow officers and the community at large. In the race of adversity, Claudia stands tall, a shining example of courage and resilience in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Claudia's presence in the Jamaica Constabulary Force was nothing short of legendary. Her blend of femininity and unyielding bravery left an indelible mark on all who knew her or heard of her exploits. Men in particular find themselves in awe of her courage, secretly wishing they possess even a fraction of her fearlessness. Yeah, man, I tell you, say, in a Hunsby, you have a tree, right, near to telephone company where you normally stand up and when you stand up there, sir, and you want to hear anything where police are say, even about other police or especially detective, they say you will stand up and you will hear them. Sometimes when them talk and them even chat to you, and them realize, say, that them try to change them argument, you just say, you go on, man, you think so when you hear what you say already. Yeah, so right there, so now you will hear uniform police now. I say, boy, when time you see her come in and vehicle and policemen them this, I'll talk to her and say, hey, say a policewoman there, she not playing, man. And you hear some of them, boy, I wish me did bad like her. I mean, I say, can I walk this man them this? But I just saw it go on them thing there, yeah. You understand? So she just have the heart of a warrior, fearless. I'm a woman. You know, no other woman, no other woman when me serve in the force, how many decades, even quarter like her. I tell you, trust me, she in an office business and them thing there. She love it. So she was the epitome of what it meant to be a brave cop, striking fear into the hearts of gunmen and criminals alike. Claudia's unwavering determination and grit were unmatched, and her reputation preceded her wherever she went. Men whispered in admiration, imagining themselves with the same unshakable resolve as this remarkable woman. So in the face of danger, Claudia never faltered. She faced each challenge head-on, unafraid to confront the most daunting of adversaries. Her bravery knew no bounds, and her actions inspire her colleagues and the community. Indeed, Claudia's presence was enough to make even the most hardened criminal piss up their pants. As the saying goes, she embodied the very essence of what it meant to protect and serve, leaving an enduring legacy of courage and strength for generations to come. When Claudia made the difficult decision to leave the force, it wasn't just a loss for her, but for the entire Jamaica Constabulary Force and the communities it served. Her departure left a void that could not easily be filled, not just in terms of her skills and expertise, but also in terms of the inspiration and leadership she provided to her fellow officers. Claudia's presence was like a beacon of hope in a sea of darkness. Her fearlessness and dedication to duty set her a standard that others aspired to, and her departure left a palpable sense of loss among her colleagues. The force was robbed of one of its brightest stars, someone who embodied the very best of what it meant to serve and protect. But Claudia's legacy live on, a reminder of one person's impact on an entire organization. Though she may have left the force, her spirit and example continue to inspire those who follow in her footsteps. And while her absence may be keenly felt, her contributions will never be forgotten. Claudia may have left the force, but her legacy endures, a testament to the power of courage, determination, and unwavering commitment to justice. Claudia was not just a pretty face. She possessed a steely resolve that sent shivers down the spines of criminals. Her vein coursed with icy determination, and she fearlessly confronted the most dangerous elements of society, sending them swiftly to the departure line. Yeah, man, I tell you, she not play. She have ice in her vein. Nobody ramp with her. Very rare. She was one of the rare woman police. You understand? Apparently, you know, sometimes at the environment where you grew up in and the background and your family and, you know, you get them things. I tell her she never play at all. Yeah. That's the kind of police woman that she was. So Claudia, as we tell her, she was not just a pretty face. Yeah, man, she was not. So in a male dominated profession, Claudia stood out, not only for her beauty, but for her exceptional courage. She refused to succumb to the advances of her male colleagues, earning their respect through her sheer competence and tenacity. Yeah, it's because she pretty now. Yeah, I tell you, I just saw it go on them things. Because she pretty, boy, the amount of anytime she just come out, the amount of policemen in a pressure and them thing there. But you understand, we can't tell you who, you know, you understand what I'm saying? We can't tell you anything about her personal life. Although you know what go on them thing there, with women, you know, say police and women, people tell the most lie on them. You understand? So, you know, we not even. I mention even a certain incident over here, and you understand what I'm saying, where, yeah, ugly man, yeah, him know him say a ugly man tell her next, a virgin of me, you know, and them thing about, and boy, I just saw it go on them thing there. Then a man now, he might try, you know, try and forget for know her, and because he might tell her, I say, boy, hey, look here, is a man I know from a young police at Clarion. He might tell her, I say, hey, look here, boy, hey, me go on that table and them thing there, you know, because, but I mean, I tell you, you know, the man, they're not easy, you know. Yeah, man, so he might tell her and all them thing there, and boy, she never give him the time of day at all. So based on that now, so him start pressure our next policeman. You understand that she was involved with, and eventually boy kind of forced the brother to left the police force because him left the island without permission. So him pressure the man, and but it was all you call it pum feelings him not care for the other policeman, because through him and knock Claudia, and him for years him a try, and she never give me time of day because she never attracted to him and him thing there. So you have to understand that, and you know, sometimes women, you know, them like men will push you, men will, you understand. So I don't know what really happened, because I just base on information, receive and obtain, and she just leave. So, you know, despite her pressures and obstacles, Claudia remained resolute in her commitment to serve in her community. Yet Claudia's story is not just one of the individual bravery. It's a testament to the systemic challenges within Jamaica's law enforcement. The political landscape, rife with corruption and indifference, has failed to support officers like Claudia, who puts their lives on the line every day. Yeah, so we can tell you, say, you know, so she never get no support from the political hierarchy, because she, you know, she wasn't a part of the, you know, the cabal. And you know, the last thing I know that she was promoted to the rank of detective sergeant. I don't think I think when I was there, she was detective corporal, and she was at Duane Park at the time with the same detective. Him eventually got detective, and eventually got inspector, and you know, that's you know, he retired as an inspector. But she I know that when I was there, she was a corporal. Although she a young policeman, but she earned it because she worked, you understand, and that's how it is. You understand? So Dr. Peter Phillips misguided assertion that, yeah, so Peter Phillips now, he had made some reference, in a misguided assertion that name brand police officer exacerbate crime in Jamaica is nothing short of absurd. It's a narrative crafted by politicians who harbor animosity towards the very people sworn to protect their communities. The truth is, Claudia and other officers like her, frontline defenders against the tide of criminality that threaten to engulf our society. The lamentable truth is that Jamaica's government has turned its back on its law enforcement officers. Instead of bolstering their effort to combat crime, they have undermined their authority and abandoned them to fend for themselves against increasingly brazen criminals. And the reason why we say that now is just that, like police officer like Claudia and others, frontline detective, them bench them, like a game, you have sports, and so the real player them, no, them put the little riffraff them out there for play the game, and them bench the real player them. So the detective now are no longer the crime fighters in Jamaica. They are like bank tellers, so them go work in a white shirt, tie, and in a AC, and them just like sweet boy. Them not do patrol, them not do inquiries, them not do the work them like what we used to do. Where you confront the corrosion and the corrobunkus them, and the ones them where the killers them when them afraid them not afraid for take you on as police and try to send you to the departure alone. And you understand, and if you are not smart, so you will end up there. So you understand, so that's what happened. So the detective them, the detective is a dying species in Jamaica, in which them just see them now as investigators. So the list of distinguished detective like Tom Levine, Isaiah Leng, Keith Trinity Gardner, Douglas Guthrie, the late Tony Hewitt, we could go on, and Piggy Williams, Dalphy Graveney. We tell about some bad police, Bobby Reds, Ruben Gunter, Emford Wade, the great Sledge, Sledgehammer, Ashes, and we could go on, and Rocky. We tell about some bad police where, they're ram for, send criminals to departure loans, although most of them get shot. I just saw it go. You understand? So, they have made the detective them impotent now. So detective now staying at the office. Them not out on the street like back in my time where you pursue a criminal. A modus operandi as a murder happen, and you receive the description of the killer or killers, and you say, oh, all right, you identify them. So then you start pursue them. You understand? Yeah. So that's how it is. The police don't operate that way, and it was the PMP and Owen Ellington, and he's never a commissioner of police. Yeah, I tell you, I never seen nothing like that yet. A commissioner, and then less than a decade later, a fee never become commissioner of police. That when you talk about nepotism and corruption, right? They say that believe you me. So them know something, where Jamaican people don't know and other police officers don't know. You understand? So he's the one that make the detective them impotent, because them want to move them friend move coke from one point to the other, and the guns them. That's why them bench the detective them. So that's why uniform police now, and that's how the police force get more corrupt now. Because the uniform police them, the OST, then thief. You have all on police whether West Kingston, name half a dog or something. You say that Spanish one, in thief. May I tell you, you understand? So some people did supposed to send me some a video with him. I broke in a store down there, Yeah man, and police near half a dog or something like that. Thief in police, uniform, OST. So the detective them call him only special thief. Yeah, you understand them say there's DCP Clifford Brainchild, and I pay a thief. All them go out there and do a rob and them thing there. Yeah. Rob the Chinese, them brought the people them store, thief all compute. Me no know police do it still though, You understand? So but we are talk one of them there about special, them supposed to have a special court for these thieving police officers. You understand? So as we tell you, about the distinguished list of detectives, they don't have that anymore. Yeah, it's a is a thing of the past. So today, however, the tide has turned and officers face unprecedented danger and hostilities without the support of their government. The tragic irony is that while law enforcement officers are vilified and abandoned, the real beneficiaries of Jamaican criminal underworld remain untouched. Yeah, man, the politicians, I tell you, the politicians and the elites, business people, whether or not you want to believe it, business people, the most corrupt people in Jamaica. They are the one, hey, I tell you, but sometimes you hear when you hear some things you can't believe, and some people are involved in a criminality in Jamaica that you're like, wow. So, it is the affluent elite who profit from the misery of others, while politicians disregard their nefarious activities because them are doing to the politician, them and the politician a friend, and I just say it go. So as a retired member of the force, I implore my former colleagues to consider their well-being and safety above all else. The decision to resign may seem daunting, but it is necessary to step towards reclaiming your dignity and preserving your sanity in a system that has forsaken you. And the reason why we say that now is based on what we have seen happen in Jamaica. In Jamaica, so in the Caribbean, Jamaica is seen as the criminals' paradise. The other islands, not only tend to make joke at Jamaica, but see Jamaica as a joke and in international arena, because Jamaica is the murder capital of the world. And Jamaican criminals, them have special protection and them get special favors and all kind of things. In Jamaica, when you're a criminal, you get royal treatment and them treat you totally different. Whilst the law-abiding citizens are suckers. Because, and the reason why we say that now, in Jamaica, you commit crime, the government will give you a clean police record and you can become a lawyer. That never used to happen back then, So that's for sure. So all them are they are taking their time, turning Jamaica in a criminal's paradise. So we're going right back to the days of the Buccaneers and the pirates, whether or not you want to believe. Just look, Isaac Buchanan is the epitome of such criminals. Twice convicted drug dealer is an attorney at law in Jamaica. So I want you to show me an honest criminal. To become a lawyer, you have to have certain criteria, and him not have none of them. Because I'm already feel the test, them can go to prison. You imagine, you think I'm going to go to prison, you think that man is going to love the same system that sent him there. Yeah, that for sure, or a politician, them are real criminals in Jamaica. And, a woman like Claudia, she served the police force well when I was there. I cannot say that she was mixed up, although I don't know anything about her personally, apart from, what I have heard. Not from her, but, you understand, but nothing nefarious. So, in closing, let us not forget the courageous souls like Claudia, who continue to fight against the tide of corruption and apathy. Their battle is not just for justice, but for the soul of Jamaica itself. It's time for us to stand up and demand better for those who risk their lives to protect us, the citizens, who live in Jamaica. So now that you heard it for yourself, you're always asking about name brand police officer woman. So she's the only one that we can tell you about. We know of a woman named Mad Roden. She's a detective corporal, yes, Mad. And there's another girl, I used to go to school with her name is Morella Desavardes, yes. She was at Mobile Reserve. She live upstate New York, yes. But yeah, I don't remember any other police woman that can match Claudia. Yeah, Claudia, she stand out because she used to be at South, so I can't tell you about. I know what I'm telling you about Mad and Morella Desavardes. Yeah, it's based on what other police officers, and because they were at acid, and they angle themselves well. And not only that, but a two pretty girl them too, you understand. Although, you know, Morella, yeah, when we go, yeah, when we go school and them thing there, hey, Morella, I one girl, you know, where no guy, you know, when me I go high school, you know, no guy, no mess with her, you know, me I tell you, you know, believe you, me. Yeah, man, she would beat you because she not play, you know. Yeah. So, I hope you enjoy, you know, listening to our commentary telling you about a name brand woman police where she not run for beat can pan dirty boy, where I tell you that. Yeah, baddest woman police. When me I tell you about when me serve. You never have, oh, and I forgot. Not to forget, you have a woman police with name Carol Thomas. I don't know what I'm to her, but she was her next. She used to dance and catching. She used to beat it. Yeah, she's the one. A whole heap of dirty boy she lick with, man. All bag and pan and yeah, Carol Thomas. Yeah, I remember her. Yeah, because yeah, she has some family who come from Rodenall in a Clarendon. So I remember her. Yeah, she was flower. Yeah, she had flowers too. She know, yeah, she good looking too. You know. Yeah, Carol Thomas is good looking. You know, she don't. Yeah, you know, she never yeah, she never ugly like, you know, like Alti and all them girls. She not flowers. So yeah, have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.